Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is a great one: archive. This is a C1 level noun that means a collection of records or documents, often stored for reference or preservation. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and everything else you need to know about it. An archive refers to a place where historical documents or records are kept, or it can mean the documents themselves. You might hear about archives in the context of libraries, museums, or even digital storage. For example, the National Archive contains records dating back hundreds of years. It's a useful word when discussing history, research, or even personal data storage. Let's talk synonyms. Words like repository, collection, record library, and vault can serve as synonyms for archive depending on the context. For instance, the museum's repository holds artifacts from ancient civilizations. These words emphasize the idea of a place or system designed for storing important items or information. Now for some antonyms. Words like disposal, deletion, or destruction contrast with archive. For example, instead of preserving the files, they opted for their deletion. In everyday life, archive can come up in a variety of situations. Imagine someone says, "I need to organize my emails into an archive folder," or the company maintains an archive of its past projects. It's also widely used in the digital world, like when you archive old photos or messages to keep your main files neat and organized. Here are a couple of examples of how you can use archive in sentences. Researchers spent months in the city archive studying ancient manuscripts. The photographer's personal archive showcases decades of incredible work. To sum it up, archive is all about storing and preserving important records or documents. It's a word you'll encounter in history, technology, and even personal organization. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word today. If you enjoyed learning about archive, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word archive and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, take care and keep learning.